This thing's amazing. We're in a parking garage right now.
What do you think those brakes, dude?
Oh, I used my foot. I didn't try the brakes. I'm kind of scared of them still.
Yeah,
Holy crap.
That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. Can I try it again?
Dude, you have to try on the smooth pavement here.
Okay.
You like it?
Yeah. Oh man. It's not that heavy. It's literally lighter than my board.
It is? Holy crap.
Okay.
That's Sebby J's board right there.
Yeah. Oh, that's a real budget build. Those brakes are not bad. They're way better than mine.
Turning was super easy too.
Oh, that deck. It's such a nice deck, dude. This is a dream board.
And it can be yours for like $700, which is pretty reasonable if you look at other boards. So let's close this video out. Let's like show them the final board and everything. So yeah, this is what it looks like on top. Here it is on the bottom. It's taped up. Cut that. Go. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys.